might look like the field guides are just picking up sticks. It's actually really important work. We are seeking to literally rebuild the ecosystem. We are basically adding complexity to the environment. The mulch is a bit like a compost pile. It helps to put life back into the soil. In only a couple of weeks, we would see millipedes and all sorts of insects. And of course, the insects will attract small lizards, beautiful birds. Our guests have the most incredible opportunities helping to restore Mother Nature. Even the trees that we're planting today, the seed was collected by our guests working with our field guide team. It's quite special to see that same seed being planted to help in this bushfire recovery.